Today, like I said, we're going to be using the bolts, the washers, and the wing nuts, because we have that access to get under. So now that we have put our neoprene onto the plate, we're going to flip it over, and we're going to line it up as close to the stern as possible. And what I have here for demonstration purposes is something that we represent with the shaft. We take off the lock pin, we put this shaft on it, and we line it up so that it's pretty perpendicular. And we know that's where we're going to screw our plate in. We're going to take 3 of the holes, these 3 holes here, and we're going to screw right through the holes using a 1/4 inch bit and go right into the kayak. Now I'm only going to do one right now to show you how easy it is to put this on. We open up our access to the back. Push this in, start the screwing. And then we're going to just take the washer and the wing nut and place it over the bolt as it goes through. You can see as it tightens up with that wing nut, it'll start to compress the neoprene on the side, giving it a good solid fit. Now the neoprene is important because if you have any kind of a ridge in the middle, you can bypass that with the 2 neoprenes. We do the same thing with the other 2 holes. This in itself will hold it fine, but we're going to do 2 more holes. Right through, and this one here. And do the exact same thing. You can see how simple it is just to get these in here. You see it already, it's starting to compress. Same thing with this one. Now, you're probably saying, wow, this is so tilted. It's okay that it's tilted like this because with the weight of the kayak as it goes, this acts as a cushion as it pushes the kayak along. So it's okay that it's sticking up a little bit in the beginning. This neoprene will compress after a while and it'll actually work to your advantage. And that's pretty much it. That's how we get the plate on. Put this back on, and there is the plate installed.